All right, good morning. So today we are doing the test route 1121. The day is very nice and dry. Bit of a sunny, it's not sunny actually, so cloudy weather, but road is not wet. So we're doing the test route from the Pinner Test Center towards the, yeah, take the next road on the left. There's a car there, so let's come out from here and then we'll talk about again.
Turn left, Tolkien Drive.
So we have just recently just started the route, so we are turning left from the test center and left again, and then the sat nav will give us a direction for the further direction. Okay, so turn left again. Come on, make the left turn again, and this will be your route now. Okay, full turn, full turn, full turn more. That's it. Right, so this is where we failed the test, because when you turn left, you turn too much towards the middle of the road and you don't know who's coming from the other side. So your turn should be within your space, within your left side of the space, so that you can see what's coming from the other side and then make your judgment to go or not to go.
At the end of the road,
okay?
turn
But you
left,
already turned
Chamberlain
on the
Way.
top and you don't have to any other space, but I have to tell you to turn left. Okay, so that's not a good idea. So turn left here, please, and follow the sat nav directions. Okay, I will not say about the directions for now. If you can pull up on the left hand side somewhere safe, please. Do not worry about the blocking of the driveway for this occasion. I asked you to pull up on the left, not on the middle of the road. You stopped in the middle of the road. So again, this is, you failed the test here.
At the end of the
because
road, turn left,
there was a junction there,
Cuckoo
and you
Hill.
signal left hand side and you stop on the middle of the road. I didn't ask you to stop on the middle of the road. I said pull up on the left hand side. What do you mean by pull up? When I said pull up, what do you mean by that? Just park on the left hand side, isn't it? So you didn't park your car on the left hand side. You stopped in the middle of the road and you signaled very early. If you decided to stop here, then your signal supposed to be after the junction, because there was a junction on the left hand side, isn't it? So when you signal, there's a car behind us as well. What that car understand?
I have to go.
Yeah. So the car think that you are turning left, but you're not turning left. You parking there, isn't it? So that you know, but the car doesn't know.
That's
Car will figure out that, oh, she's signaling left, so she must be going on the left hand side. She's turning on the left side because there is a junction there, and you stopped in the middle of the road. So that's not correct way of doing it. Okay. So only signal when it is when it is ready, when you see that where you're going to stop, and you will not block to someone else. Okay, drive on when you're ready. Was a little early signal. You should have signaled after you pass that junction again.
Cuckoo Hill. After 300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, A404, Pinner Green.
These are two roundabouts, okay? First one turn right, second one go straight. So this is very, very close. You was about to fail, okay? Because you know that car is coming out. You should have pulled back, okay? Don't need
Cross
to
the
go in
roundabout
and block
take
him.
the second exit, A404, Pinner Green.
So first I have to go right.
Turn right, please. Yeah. So you. And then the second one goes straight.
Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
So you're going towards the right hand side lane on that bend where that car is next to you. So you're switching the lane without mirror observation. For that reason, you fail the test, because I have to grab the steering wheel and bring you back to the lane again. Okay, so especially when there is a bends are coming, you must pay attention of your lane discipline. You must be in your lane when you're turning. Okay, you're not supposed to go on someone else's lane. Unless if it's required, then you need to do your mirror observation. That is that somebody there or not, and make your judgment.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the first exit, A410, Duxbridge Road. Cross the roundabout and take the first exit.
We're not supposed to signal here. We're not turning left. We're going straight ahead of this mini roundabout. So when you're going straight ahead of the mini roundabout, you never signal when you enter or when you exit of the roundabout. If you signal left, then they think that you are turning left in one of those houses, which you are not. So if there's a car behind us, then that would be a minor mistake.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, A410, Duxbridge Road.
pay attention on this roundabout, okay? Normally students fail here.
Cross the roundabout
That's a
and
really
take
good
the
start from
second
the left
exit.
side, and they fail because they, yeah, well done, well done. This is what you wanted to do, okay? Normally students fail because they start from the left. That's absolutely correct. Everyone is doing the same. But then when they enter in the roundabout, they try to go in the center or a right side.
After 300
So that's
yards,
not supposed to be
go
done,
right
okay?
on the roundabout
This is how you're
and
supposed
take
to be
the
done, the
third
way
exit,
you just did it.
Headstone Lane.
Exactly from the left hand side you need to go your turn. Well done, I like that. And she said turn right on the roundabout, third exit, once we were talking that side. So it's a
Go right on the
roundabout.
roundabout and take the third exit.
Excellent, well done. Well done, very good mirror observation. Well done. Perfect. So if I ask you that in both the roundabout, why that mirror observation and correct lane was happened? How did that happen? What was the helping factor? So what helps you to make that decision properly?
Because if we going another lane, then disturb with someone.
Yeah, but you didn't go on the another lane. So you did all these planning perfectly fine. How that happened?
It's very good drive and
Yeah.
easy for moving.
Yeah, but why this was happened is because your speed was nice and slow. You was not going over 20 mile per hour on those roundabout. So that's why you have some time to make those decisions correctly. On the roundabouts, this is what you need to think of. If you try to drive the roundabout too fast, then obviously you're not going to have some time to see or observe or decide what to do and how to do. Okay? So they said on the big roundabouts you should not go over 20 mile per hour, and if there is a mini roundabout then you should not go over 10 mile per roundabout, 10 mile per hour speed limit. Well done. He said stop, didn't he? See, he waved you, didn't he? Then you need to respond to his signals and give a response to other road users of what they are doing. Now you can carry on because you have a little space now, and you can see he's reversing in one of those area there, right? Come on. But when he waved, that time you need to start thinking that what he's going to do. Let me make my back mirrors observation and start braking or stopping or getting ready for something. So if we talk about the test, it can be a failure of the test because I have to tell you what to do in that situation. You got to make your own decision there. Because if I didn't say that to you, he was trying to go right. So that's wrong. And it's a big, because it's a big truck. So let's say if he's reversing there, then it needs more space to reverse. Or let's say if he's reversing in one of the side road on the left side, then again you're closing his junction. So it's not a good way to do that. That's right.
After 300 yards, sharp right, A404, George V Avenue.
Now this George V Avenue, that's where students fail as well. So pay attention over there. See what's happening there, okay? So this is sharp right from the traffic light basically, okay?
Sharp right.
You gave the signal without checking your interior and right mirror together. So that would be a minor mistake. So tell me, where is the sharp right? Where is it?
This? No,
That's where the student failed, right? See that? It's written there, George V Avenue, over there, look. See that? Yeah, it's there, look. George V Avenue. So that's where you are going, okay? So this is where you need to go. So it's just a sharp turn, and when you are making the right turn, you need to make your observation road ahead, which is coming. If any vehicle's coming from that side, okay, that's where you need to focus. If they're coming, then you just need to wait in the middle of the road, right?
Okay.
Yeah, because you're turning right. Good, go. Come on. So turn and have a look. Is anybody coming?
No.
Yes, they are. Look, there's a loaner there.
Yeah.
So wait. So we just wait here. Simple as that. If I can see there's nobody after this red car, I can probably go. Come on, make it. There you go. Do you understand that?
Yes.
This is where students fail because they don't know which is the right turn first, which you said, oh, initially you said that there's a right turn, which is that straight road basically, right? And then the second time you understood he's here, but then you're probably not ready to stop there as well because you thought it's your right way to go. But remember, anytime, anywhere in the country, when you're turning right, it is not your right. So remember this slogan all the time. When you're turning right, it is not your right, except if it is a roundabout, but then your right observation has to be clear as well. So yesterday that girl, she failed because look, right now you're going above 40, right? So get it 40, come on, get it 40 because that's 40 road. Come on. Overtake the truck if you can because the truck is driving slow, isn't it? That's it. Yeah. Now are you at 40? Look here, what it says? 36, 35. So she saw the sat-nav speed, which I never ask you guys to do it, right? And she saw, oh, I'm doing 35. She pushed the gas, and she gone over 40 on the dialometer over there, and it's gone over the speed limit. So
But is all sat-nav is like that? Is
all of
here
the
is
sat-nav,
different?
all the sat-nav, because these sat-nav, they are not live sat-nav. They are based on a GPS signals. So it takes 2 to 3 seconds to get that signal back from the satellite, and they will tell you the speed of that. So
After
never
300
judge your
yards,
speed
go left
by
on the
looking at your
roundabout
sat nav.
and take the first
Look at your
exit,
own
A404,
speedometer on your
Duxbridge Road.
dashboard and see what speed you are doing.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
So that means they teach us
Turn
not
left.
trust for all
Yes,
this.
yeah.
Only you have.
Turn left, yeah.
Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
Because remember, sat nav is giving you the directions. Okay, the directions is like for your help. Okay, you don't rely on that sat nav directions or speed limit and stuff like that all the time. Sometimes you need to make your own decision as well. So for example, this road work is going on and it says do not follow the sat nav. See, it's clearly say that. So that can be sometimes possible as well, that sat nav does not give you the correct direction. If they have made a temporary adjustment of the road, then it's not set it up on the sat nav, because the sat navs are not live.
After 300 yards, turn right, Woodhall Gate.
So this is next available road on the right. Okay, so this first right is not a right turn. It's clearly marked on the road marking. You see that?
No right turn.
Yeah. Now you can signal right, and this is your
Turn
right
right.
turn. So keep going into this box. Nice and easy. Well done. And then if there is nobody coming from the top of the road, then you make your turn. And you are stopping very far from your point of turn. You know, you're supposed to be somewhere a bit more there. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Perfect. So there was a couple of occasions where you can go, okay, because it's just the one car, but you decided to wait. It's okay. It's not a big deal.
After 200 yards, turn right, Woodhall Drive.
આગળથી જાઓ.
Yeah, just go straight. No, she said turn right, not left. And let's say if you decided to turn left there, right, then
Turn right.
you should have given your signal, do your position from
It's too
long.
late.
Yeah, it was too late now. So you should not make a last minute alteration of your driving, okay, without letting your road user know with your mirror, signal, and position, okay. In the exam, if you're following the sat nav or following the sign from the signboards or something like that, and if you forgot anything or you missed or heard anything, then don't make the last minute adjustment, okay.
Just go straight.
Just go straight, okay, because as soon as you're doing something and if you don't pay attention on your mirrors and observation, then you're actually causing a problem for other road user, okay. So his best thing is like best thing is always like you go straight, then they will tell you, all right, you missed this or that, I'll give you the next direction to follow, okay. At least you're not disturbing to someone.
At the end of the road, turn right, A404, Duxbridge Road. Turn right.
Well done. know that you're allowed to block the half of the road, right? You know that, turn right, yeah? When the right side is clear and left side is clear, left side is the clear means nobody is turning into the road, then you block the first half of your right hand side road, yeah? And then wait for the left side to clear and then you join the road. He was a little bit hesitant there. Okay, I can see that, I can feel it. Alright, so I'll turn off the sat nav for now. I'll give you the direction by myself. After this bend from the traffic light, we are going straight ahead, and there will be two mini roundabouts. The first one going straight, the second one turn left. So this traffic light, we're going straight. That was very close to that black car on our left hand side. You don't need to go that close. Perfect. So if there is nobody on the left, you always stay on the left. Correct. Make sure you don't make that mistake again. Don't approach the roundabout more than 20 miles per hour, okay? Otherwise you will not able to see anything. Stay on the left hand side like this, okay? Don't try to go to the right side because you are turning left. Perfect. You understand that?
Because I block.
If you go to the right, you're blocking the person on your right hand side if there is someone, and you're never gonna know because if somebody's there, they will be in your blind spot then. Turning right, please. Take the next road on the right. Take the next road on the right again and then turn right again. If there is nobody in the test center, then only we will go inside. So come a little bit ahead. Bit more. No, there is somebody. All right, let's come left. All right, so that will be our end of the test route. I hope you.
So where we go now?
Yeah, we're gonna go straight. So it's like a right turn. Okay, so signal right. Keep looking on the left. Look here. Yeah, and go. All right, so I hope that video will helpful to you guys, and if there is any comments, if you need to ask me a question, just drop me in the comment box. I'll try to answer this if I have time. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.